This video shows you how to send or transfer money from UnionBank to Palawan Express Pera Padala. Before you begin, make sure that you have a UnionBank account and that your UnionBank Online is enrolled and activated. You can transfer money to Palawan Express using the mobile or the web app, but in this video, I show you the mobile app process. From your mobile phone, open the UnionBank application, log into your account, and then, at the bottom of the display, tap Send or Request. Tap Remittance Sender, and then if you do this for the first time, then tap Get Started. Tap Palawan Express. Provide the amount and the purpose of the transaction. If you have multiple accounts, then select an account where you want to source the money for the transfer. On the upper right corner of the display, tap Next and then proceed with the transfer. Provide the recipient's full name, birth date, citizenship, cell phone number, and email address. And then on the upper right corner of the display, tap Next. Provide the recipient's complete address. And then tap Next. Review the transfer details, accept the terms and conditions, and then tap Send. Tap Proceed with Transfer. Enter the one-time password or OTP that was sent to your registered mobile number. The reference number is for transaction history tracking only. You cannot use it to claim the money from Palawan Express. Inform the recipient that the money will be available for claiming once he receives the tracking code from UnionBank in a form of text message. Remember, you can send a minimum of 100 pesos up to 50,000 pesos per transaction. The total daily limit is 50,000 pesos. Transfer transactions done after 3 p.m. will be available the following day. Service charge depends on the transaction amount. Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time!